Hello, I'm Joey from Cypher. I'm here to introduce you to the Nova bubbler attachment. The purpose of this is to have a smoother, cooler experience. Right now I'm going to show you how to fill it up with water. You're only going to need about a half a teaspoon, maybe a little bit less. That's about all you need. There's a fill line just inside here that will tell you exactly where you need to fill it to. Once you have it filled, you're going to take a napkin or paper towel, whatever you have handy. We recommend just wiping this out in the bottom so you get a clean seal. Slide this back in. Then from here, you're going to take off the magnetic top on your Nova. Slide your fresh pod in. Once you place the pod in the Nova, take your water bubbler attachment, pop it on. There's a magnetic seal that will connect it directly. Press your button and inhale. As you can see, it's nice and easy to use. I can truly promise you it gives you a smoother smoking experience. Last thing I'm going to do is show you how easy it is to empty. Pop it off at the magnetic seal, slide out the bottom. All you have to do is take the top and blow into it. It's nice and easy like that. Okay, so after you've used your bubbler, it's going to get dirty. The best way to clean it is to take some type of solvent like 420, fill it up a little bit, shake it up really good, then rinse out with warm water and soap. That's going to be the best way to keep your glass nice and clean and get the best flavor out of your Nova.